In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the best state to set up your LLC for your online business. So you probably clicked on this video because you want to learn which state to set up your LLC for your online business. Hey, my name is Andrew. I'm from Walai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your business without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,050 five-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. I am a recent law school graduate. I am currently awaiting my bar results, and in the meantime, I'm helping entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses too. So let's go ahead and talk about the best state to form an LLC for your online business. It really depends on your situation. Many businesses form a limited liability company, an LLC, in their home state because it seems to be the most obvious choice, or they didn't realize they had other alternatives. Incorporating in your home state may be the best option for your business, particularly if you conduct your operations in a home, store, or physical office. Setting up an LLC for an online business, one of the first steps in starting an online business is to determine what state you'd like to incorporate in. It's always worth the time to properly speak with a professional to help you decide what is the best state to form an LLC for you. When selecting the preferred state, both the long-term growth and the initial sales volume of your business may be influenced. What's the best state to form an internet-based LLC? The physical location in which you work will most likely be the best option for incorporating your LLC. There may be significant reasons to incorporate outside your home state, but generally the state in which you're physically present is the best option. For example, if you're working in Illinois, then you probably should form an LLC in Illinois. If you're working in Florida, then you probably should form an LLC in Florida. If you're working in California, then you probably should form an LLC in California. Consider the following before incorporating an LLC in a foreign state. Every state expects businesses operating within it to pay taxes. Therefore, if you decide to incorporate in a foreign state, but you have a physical location or employees in your home state, then you'll still be expected to pay taxes on any revenue generated in your home state. When a business lacks a physical address in a state in which it has incorporated, a registered agent is usually hired to legally represent the company. If you're maintaining a physical location or hiring employees in your home state, then you'll need to pay fees and file annual reports with the state. If you're currently living in California, which is inundated with taxes, fees, licenses, and permits, it may make sense to incorporate somewhere else. It's important to do the proper research, to speak with a professional before making the decision to incorporate outside of your home state. If you decide to incorporate your LLC outside of your home state and you have employees or a physical presence in your home state, then you will also have to incorporate your business in your home state. This scenario, you will need to be incorporated in both states. Your home state will now consider your business as a foreign company. Also, you'll have to generate annual reports and pay taxes and filing fees in both states. Many experts have agreed that the simplest solution is a non-US resident should form their LLC in Wyoming. A US resident should form their LLC in the state in which they're physically present. A US resident that doesn't have or plan on having a physical presence in the US should incorporate in Wyoming. So, why incorporate in Wyoming? It's considered one of the most business-friendly and best states for non-US residents. So, why form an LLC in Wyoming? It's considered one of the most friendly and best states for non-US residents. Deciding to form an LLC in a particular state simply based on your physical presence there is typically justified. Generally, you should form your LLC in the state in which you're conducting the most business. For example, if you're currently in California and operating an Etsy store, you'll want to form your LLC in California. Non-US residents have more options on which state to form for their LLC. Every state varies in which tax breaks, charges, and fees incentives and penalties they may impose on businesses, they all differ. There are many significant factors to consider before selecting a state in which to form an LLC. Some of these factors include laws and regulations, tax filing fees, income tax, franchise regulations and taxes, sales tax. If you need help determining the best state to form an LLC for your online business, you can always click the link in the description box below to book your free consultation with an expert who can help you decide where to form your LLC for your online business. So to sum up this entire video, when it comes to forming and setting up your LLC in a state, if you are a US resident, it is recommended that you set up the LLC in the state that you live in. If you're a non-US resident, it is recommended that you set up your LLC in Wyoming. It is important that you choose the right state to set up your LLC for your online business. Setting up your LLC in the wrong state may result in headaches down the road. It's important that you speak with a professional to help you determine which state is best for you. If you had any questions about anything that I talked about in today's video, click the link in the description box below to book your free consultation with an expert who can help guide you in the right direction in choosing the right state to set up your LLC. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.